Hi guys, I get some old disposables from my friend and I decided to make a power bank from it. So I am using crystal bars, I need 2 of them. I will show you how to open one. It's very easy, you have to just remove this cap and pull it out.
And one disclaimer, be aware that working with batteries is quite dangerous, so if you don't have proper experience, you should never do this on your own. This video is only for educational purposes, to demonstrate you how things works, and if you don't have proper qualifications, you should never follow this video.
Now I have 2 batteries. I am interested in red and black cables. I can remove the rest. So my goal is to connect these 2 batteries in parallel to increase their capacity. And I'm going to use this module. I'll put probably a link in the description. It's very basic. You can buy it for less than $1. Basically, it prevents batteries from overcharging and excessive discharging. And also it's boosting voltage because this battery has 3.7 volts and I need 5 volts. Let's jump into some electronic details. I always check datasheets for all components I am using. You can just Google it. This fully charged lithium polymer battery should have 4.2 volts. I am connecting them in parallel, so it increases their capacity, but not voltage. Total capacity should be around 800 milliamps, so it can charge average iPhone from 0 to 20%. It's not much, but keep in mind that this power bank is also very small, very compact. Rule number 1, you should never have trust in cheap electronics, but this USB module in theory has over temperature protection. It provides constant 5 volts on the output, but be aware that it can take only 1 amp of current, it's not that much. I can make whole video how to handle lithium batteries. If you are interested, let me know. Enough theory for today, let's build some stuff. First, let's connect it in parallel and with this module. We will focus on chassis later. I probably need some old wire to connect it. It will be easier. And of course, soldering iron. Now it's fully connected. I am expecting charging voltage to be around 4. It looks very fine. And now I want to insert batteries inside of this metal pipe. The cable I used is too thick and I can't fully push it inside, but it's not a big deal. Now I have to cut off top of the plastic chassis. It is very easy for me because I have this very handy multifunctional device. Now I am cutting edges of the chassis accordingly to the width of the PCB board. Now I can easily push it inside, and the last step is to cut the pipe. Some advanced measurements because batteries are already inside and I don't want to cut them in half. It is fitting quite good. I can easily put the cap again. As you can see, it is not falling out even if I shake it. Of course, as a professional builder, I should use a lot of hot glue. And I am planning, but I am out of hot glue sticks. Quick test. Thanks for watching and see you soon.